Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, Edward Adventure Blogs. Today, I'm taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most breathtaking destinations I've ever visited. Kavanah Haven Resort in Mindanao, Philippines. This hidden gem is a paradise for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and those simply looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Join me as I explore this stunning resort and discover its hidden treasures. Day tour at Kavanah Haven Resort. Entrance fee, 399 pesos. Includes complimentary snacks and drinks, site/walking tour. Daily hours, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Note, walk-in only. No reservation required. Enjoy a relaxing day at Kavanah Haven Resort, exploring its beautiful surroundings and enjoying the provided amenities. Getting to Kavanah Haven Resort. From Cagayan de Oro City. Drive. The most convenient way to reach Kavanah Haven Resort from Cagayan de Oro City is by car. The journey takes approximately 2 to 3 hours, offering scenic views of the countryside along the way. Public transportation. While there's no direct public transportation to the resort, you can take a bus or jeepney to Kitaotao, the nearest town. After completing the registration process, we were greeted by a friendly staff member who escorted us to a shuttle. As we embarked on our journey to the main resort, we were immediately captivated by the serene atmosphere. The shuttle took us through a picturesque forest filled with towering pine trees. The cool mountain breeze and the refreshing scent of nature created a truly relaxing ambience. It felt like we were stepping into a hidden paradise. As we emerged from the forest, we were greeted by the stunning landscape of Kavanah Haven Resort. The resort's architecture was inspired by Amsterdam, with charming Dutch-style buildings and colorful facades. The combination of the natural surroundings and the unique architectural theme was simply breathtaking. Our shuttle dropped us off at RESTO, the resort's main dining area. We were eager to explore the rest of the resort and experience all it had to offer. After arriving at RESTO, we couldn't wait to start exploring the resort and capturing its beauty on camera. The stunning architecture, vibrant colors, and lush surroundings made it feel like we were in a different world.
Woo! So nice! Guys, ganda dito pag pumunta kayong Davao, daanan nyo to guys. Promise, ang ganda. Di kayo magsisisi, promise.
Di nga.
Kavanah Haven Resort offers a truly unforgettable experience, combining natural beauty, comfort, and relaxation. Follow me on my journey and discover more hidden gems around the world. Subscribe to my channel Edward Adventure Blogs for regular updates and travel inspiration. Every corner of the resort offered a new photo opportunity. We took countless pictures and videos, trying to capture the magic of this place. It was like stepping into a fairy tale. The resort's enchanting atmosphere made us feel relaxed and carefree. We spent hours exploring the grounds, taking in the breathtaking views, and simply enjoying the moment. While exploring Kavanah Haven Resort from the ground was incredible, seeing it from above was an even more awe-inspiring experience. If you're planning a visit, be sure to bring your drone to capture the stunning aerial views. The drone footage revealed the resort's intricate layout, showcasing the harmonious blend of architecture and nature. The vibrant colors of the buildings contrasted beautifully with the lush greenery, creating a truly picturesque scene. The drone also captured the resort's extensive network of walking paths and trails, winding through the lush forests and offering breathtaking views.
Okay guys, try natin yung ano nila. Ito yung tinili namin parang chips na taco tsaka yung pizza. So may kasama na rin siyang drinks. So ang pinili ko yung sikwati. Sarap tong sikwati. Nice. Natin yung chips. Last ang banana.
What?
Yung pizza, tikman natin kung masapag libre lang. Pag muna yun, lagyan ng chili para malasama yung pizza.
We, inga.
Ito lang, lasang pizza. What? Kaya masarap yung sikwate pag ano. Malamig yung parado yun, pero medyo mainit yun. So in-order ko yung ano, sikwate. Mas masarap na rin yung pizza pag may hot sauce. Tapos meron pa yung chips. Ano ba ito? Ano tawag dito? Ito yung kasama sa entrance mo. Pwede? Medyo gusto pa kami kay kakabrans ng namin. Sarap yung pizza ko. May hot sauce. Ginamit na yung pang-tago. Kaya dyan sabi ko pag napunta kayong Labaw, ang daming bakit ng Cagayan, Bigan, Butuan. Ibang kayo dito sa may, ang pangalan nito sa Kavanah. Gusto lang makalimot. What? Yan isa, Kavanah. When you go into Davao City, make sure you stop by this place. It's really amazing. So meron siyang glamping. Tapos yung glamping yung ganda ng view, promise. while waiting for our sundo. Maganda dito, may libreng tubig.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon. Okay guys, time to go back. Thank you. Okay guys, so nice here.